NuWave Bravo XL Air Fryer Toaster Oven, revolutionize your cooking experience. Master culinary perfection on the fly. Tired of rigid cooking appliances? The NuWave Bravo XL Air Fryer Toaster Oven gives you the power to make adjustments on the fly. Seamlessly customize temperature, time, and top/bottom heaters anytime, ensuring your creations are cooked to perfection without starting over. The digital controls are intuitive and user-friendly, making your kitchen a dynamic playground. Precision beyond measure with integrated probe. Banish the fear of undercooking or overcooking forever. Our innovative air fryer oven features an integrated digital temperature probe. Set your desired doneness temperature, and the Bravo constantly monitors, automatically ending the cooking process when perfection is achieved. Say goodbye to culinary uncertainties, revel in precision cooking every time. 112 presets, infinite culinary exploration. Unleash your culinary creativity with 112 built-in presets. From grilling and air frying to baking and dehydrating, this kitchen powerhouse elevates your cooking game. Save and recall 50 of your favorite recipes, and explore 100 pre-programmed delights. The Bravo Air Fryer Toaster Oven is a multifunctional marvel designed to redefine your culinary horizons. Linear T technology for consistent excellence. Experience cooking excellence with Linear T technology. Precise temperature control, 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, in 5 degrees Fahrenheit increments ensures flawless results. Unlike traditional on-off methods, our patented technology adjusts power every second, maintaining a consistent temperature throughout the entire cooking process. Enjoy perfection in every bite. NuWave quality, where innovation meets durability. Crafted with the highest quality standards, from heat-resistant tempered glass to heavy-duty cooking racks. The NuWave Bravo XL is a testament to quality construction. As an American manufacturer committed to affordability and sustainability, NuWave focuses on green-conscious appliances using cutting-edge culinary technology. Bravo XL, a culinary revolution at your fingertips. Intuitive digital controls, dual-zone heating, integrated smart thermometer, Linear T technology, and multi-layer cooking make the Bravo XL a culinary revolution. Every feature is designed and tested by chefs and RD experts, obsessing over details to ensure the best taste, performance, and durability. Elevate your cooking to masterpiece levels. Transform your kitchen, transform your culinary journey with NuWave Bravo XL.